what's going on, y'all? Thank you for joining me on another episode of JL Jupiter TV. Currently here in Ocean City, Maryland. Maryland, what is going on? My first time here, to be quite honest with you, and we are hungry right now on this family. We went on a little family vacation, and I got the wife with me. She actually wants to be in the episode, and my son wants to be in the episode. So, say what's up.
I didn't say. I said it was okay.
JL, say what's up.
Hi.
What's my thing here? My thing is food. So the first thing that you gotta eat when you come to Maryland is the seafood. I heard it's one of the best in the world. We're gonna go ahead and chow down on some Marlyand Blue crabs, some Conch Fritters, some fish tacos, the whole works here. I've been yelping a lot of places, and one of the places that's been close is called Belly Buster's Seafood. Actually, this whole strip called Coastal, I don't know if it's Coastal Boulevard. Coastal Highway has everything on there, man. All the places that I Googled, I think I drove past them. So let's go and check it out, y'all. Do me a favor, make sure you subscribe to the channel. My son right here, he getting a little aggy right now. He probably hungry too. Subscribe to the channel. Let's go get some Belly Busters. Alright, y'all, so food just came out. Well, most of the food just came out. We got the seafood platter here. This comes with a few things here. It's like a sampler. It's fish, crab cakes, shrimp, and clams. You can pick two sides. We got the coleslaw and the fries. That's decent. That's $22.99. This is what I'm excited about here is the Conch Fritters. Never had conch before. And this is their popular fish tacos. Excited about that too. We ordered two more things as well. I thought the seafood platter came with an actual Marlyand Blue crab. You can actually order a blue crab a la carte, you know, individually if you want to. So we ordered 3 Marlyand Blue crabs, and oh, we also ordered the snow crab legs as well. We ordered half a pound of those. So I'm ready to feast. All right, you know what? I'm just gonna go right to it. I'm gonna do the Conch Fritter first. Cheers to y'all. Make sure you subscribe. It's good. I think the conch is like a it's more textury than flavorful, you know? I think the flavor comes from like the breading and the sauce. This sauce here is like kind of tastes like a Big Mac sauce. That's good. It's very crunchy. I get its texture. Like it's kind of like a, if you were to eat squid, it's good. My type of texture. I'm digging it. Uh-oh. There's no problem. So I guess the crabs are about to come out. Gotta lay down the paper so we don't make a mess. Alright, so this is the fish taco here. We got the fish taco next. Feel sorry for my wife, man. She got baby duties right now, so she can't eat with me. He's acting up. JL, you better leave your mom alone. I don't know how much I'm gonna vlog this weekend. This is the fish taco. Let's try it out. Yo. The hype is real about the fish tacos. That's really good. You get a nice crunch from the cabbage. But that blackened fish is banging. Totally digging this. What's wrong, buddy? Wanna be in the vlog with me? Come on. So you want a fry? Want a French fry? You want a fish taco? Let me tell you something, son. That fish taco is bomb. Want to try it? Want to try this out? Want to try this?
They're hot. You guys know how to pick them?
Yeah.
Enjoy, guys. Thank you.
Thank you. The wife is enjoying her seafood platter. She's happy now. She said the crab cake is really good. Don't touch that. To anyone that wants to be a vlogger and you have a kid, it gets really real. So with that shrimp, can I try a shrimp though? Yeah. Uh-oh, you got the menu on the crab, dude. Want a shrimp? Want a piece of shrimp? Fried shrimp here. Let's try this out. That cocktail sauce has a lot of horseradish too. I love horseradish. Let's get down to the crabs. Marlyand Blue crab. I'm gonna keep it all the way G with you, man. I'm not really too big on blue crabs. At one point in my life, I was like really allergic to it. But I told myself this year that I'm gonna get back into eating blue crabs. And I'm actually for the first time doing this on camera. So you're about to see this. If I get sick later, you know why. This is the small size. It's pretty amazing. Y'all see that? What we're gonna do first, we're gonna break away the claw. You know you gotta eat the claw first. That's good stuff. Ain't nothing like that seasoning, man. Woo! Look at that. Look at that. Let's dip it in some of that seasoning there. That's sweet. Yeah, this is good, man. You taste the freshness and the sweetness in this crab meat. That's good stuff right there. So let's break this baby apart. It's been a while since I've done this, so don't judge me, okay? Bang, bang. Bang, bang. I mean, you don't get no better than this, man. Marlyand Blue crab, some of the best here on the East Coast. This place is good, you know. It's in a resort town here. You might overpay a little bit, but that's what you get. So I say the Conch Fritter is really good. It's a nice environment, good environment. Crabs are really fresh. Fish tacos are really good. So, you know, this place is good. You know, I'll definitely recommend them. I'm gonna get down to these crabs though. Y'all don't want to see me eat crabs. I'm gonna get down on these crabs here. I got the wife some snow crab clusters. Look. See that? I'm gonna go ahead and eat this meal with my family here. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next episode. Peace.